ጋይስ እንግዲህ ዳዊት እንደዚህ አምሮበት ፏፈሽ ብሎ መጥተዋል። ዛሬ የናሳ ፕሮፌሰሮቹ ከውጭ ሀገር የሚመጡት ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች በአካል ያገኛቸው ነው። እራት ልንበላ ነውና እንዴት ነው አምሮበታል? ተመችቷል? ሱፉ ቶክሲዶ ምናምን ዝግጁ ነህ? ዩ ሬዲ? የሚገርም ምሽት ነው የምናሳልፈው። ተከታተሉን እንግዲህ ሳስተዋውቀው ትመለከታላችሁ። እራት ስንበላ ከነሱ ጋር እና መልካም እድል። እሺ እኔ በጣም ኤክሳይትድ ነኝ። ሌትስ ጎ ዴቪድ። ተከታተሉ። ቻው። ሄሎ ዴቪድ. How are you? How you doing?
I'm good. Pleased to meet you.
His name is David as well.
David.
What a coincidence, huh?
I'm David as well.
I'm also David.
Hi, pleased
Nice
to
to meet you.
Nice.
Yeah, you too.
His name is Dr. David Gray. He is
Okay.
the president of University of Niagara Falls, Canada.
Okay.
Basically, I'm from Toronto, by the way.
Oh,
I've been staying in Canada for 7 years.
okay.
Canadian.
Yeah, so you
Proud,
know
huh?
Niagara Falls well?
Definitely.
Okay.
I used to go there every month. Not during the winter though.
No.
It's too cold.
Snow, chilly, right? So,
Yes. So David here is very, very brilliant and talented kid.
Yeah.
He actually studies about Andromeda, astronomy, and the multiverse. And he is a very, very brilliant and genius kid. Would you like to explain and introduce yourself to him?
Yes, I can explain. First of all, I would like to say welcome to this, and I'm proud and appreciate all of you to make this opportunity and to get here. Then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Daitala Bocho. I'm 20 years old. I'm a second year software engineering student in Arbomet University.
Okay.
And I love too much to study about astronomy, about the universe from since grade 7 students until now. We try to say the universe is too big, but we also know about the 5%. Even we don't know about the 95%, you know, and also even these 5% are too broad. You know, there are the big objects like the galaxies. The galaxy means the gravitational bound systems of interstellar matter, gas, dust, neutrons, stars, black holes, and there are a lot of elements in that area. And I want to say thank you, my brother.
As you can see, man, he has the hunger, and most of all, he has the awareness millions do not have. This is special.
I smiled. I've got this smile
I
on my
see,
face
I see,
all
yeah,
the way
yeah.
through.
Yeah.
Thank
Right?
you.
You took us all the way through, right? To astronomy, Einstein's theory of relativity
Yeah.
was in there, the solar system, the planets.
Yes.
You then went into the technology, the
Yeah.
GPS, the
Yes.
satellites.
Of
right? You know,
course.
incredible, absolutely incredible. You know, clearly you're passionate, right?
Yeah.
You've obviously done a lot of work and research to actually fully understand the subject.
Yes.
You know, and your passion comes through, your enthusiasm comes through, you know, and you're still asking questions, right? You know, towards the you were saying, how, why,
Yeah.
what, right? You know, and where can we go from here?
Yeah.
You know, so that curiosity, right? That's really what drives students, you know, and you're doing that now, you know, and, you know, what I would say is the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, we are very technologically focused. We focus on data analytics, we focus on computer science, applied artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth, right? You know, and so from what I've seen of you and what I've already learned from you, you know, I think you're a student who would do really well with us, right? Really well with us. You know, and so from my perspective, if you're interested in coming, I can put you in touch with our applications and admissions people,
Okay.
and then you know we can see where this journey takes us.
Wow,
Because I'm excited.
this is
Right?
amazing. This is
Thank you
amazing.
so much.
I'm excited.
so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
excited.
Thank you.
No,
Wow.
absolutely.
Thank you.
I'm very
Thank
happy
you.
for him.
100%.
You're actually amazing. Thank you so much.
No,
You did.
no problem at all.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, and I could sit and listen to you all night. I really, really could.
Really?
Absolutely fantastic.
Amazing,
Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you.
I will be in contact with you.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Yep.
Dr. David.
No.
You're actually an amazing person
No,
for
no
doing
problem.
this.
He's the amazing one.
He is actually amazing.
Absolutely
You're amazing too.
Yeah.
I'm amazing too.
Thank
And
you.
the same name is.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
David,
actually- what a
David.
coincidence.
All the best people are called David.
What a
right?
coincidence.
Yeah, I know. You're right.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Definitely. Have a good one, yeah?
All right.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
ወይኔ ጉዲና አለ ስማ ልንገርህ የሆነውን ነገር አልገባችሁም እና ና እዛ ቁጭ ና ኦ ማይ ጋድ እዚህ ጋር ነው
አሪፍ ነበር የእውነት
This is actually crazy.
የእውነት
This is actually crazy. What the heck happened?
ኮራቢ
Huh?
ኮራቢ
Whoa. Whoa, brother, sorry. We're recording a video. Okay, give me a second. what the fuck ምንድን ነው ያጋጠመው
እግዚአብሔር ቸርነት ነው እኔ ራሱ አላውቅም የድንግል ማርያም ፈቃድ ነው ሜዲ
የታባት ጀግና መድኃኒዓለም ጀግና እንኳን ደስ አለሽ
Thank you so much
we did it
አሪፍ ነበር
የሆነ ፕሬዚደንት ሆነ ያገኘው he is the president of የናያግራ ፎልስ የሚባል ካናዳ ውስጥ እኔ የምኖርበት ከተማ ቶሮንቶ ነበረ ሁለት ሰዓት መንገድ ነው በጣም ትልቁ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ነው ካናዳ ውስጥ በጣም ትልቁ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ቶሮንቶ የሚባል አለ የናያግራ ፎልስ ነው ከኒውዮርክ አጠገብ ማለት ነው which is አሜሪካ ቦርደር ላይ ነው ያለው ከፕሬዚደንቱ እንደዚህ አይነት ወሬ ማግኘት ማለት እሱ አፕሩቫል ከሰጠ ማለት ነው ካናዳ ገብተሻል ልጅ ተመቻችቷል ትማሪያለሽ ህይወት ተቀይሯል bro I'm happy
we need to meet
እኔ አባት
አሁን ማሰግናለሁ ሁሉም ነገር ያው ባንተ
በላይ በደንብ እንግሊዝ ተዘጋጅተን የመጣኸው በደንብ ነው የተናገርከው ራስን በደንብ ነው የወከልከው እግዚአብሔርን ወድቀው እሺ